In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create a YouTube channel in under 5 minutes. So first go to youtube.com, then you will be right here. If you do not have an account, you'll just have to sign in. But then once you're here, you can switch your accounts and click any of these right here. If you already have an email and you just want to create another YouTube channel, just click view all channels. Then you'll be right here and then just click create a new channel. Then you'll need to create a picture and then a name. So do not put your IRL name in this and instead just do a username. So I'm just going to do coolkid857. Then I'll just create the channel. Now I'm here, then I'm just gonna have to click customize channel. Then you'll be in your YouTube studios. Once you're here, you can change your name, your handle. Then you can add a description, and then this is gonna be your channel URL if you want to share your channel to your friends. So for my profile picture, you can create profile photos on websites like Canva or Pixel Art Editor. And for your banner, you can also do it with Canva or Pixel Art Editor. Some settings I suggest you add is for settings. For you to add some keywords for what your channel is about. If it's about Roblox, you could do Roblox, gaming, Roblox playthroughs, and all these other keywords that matches your channels. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.